Last month, my younger brother confessed he'd been collecting vintage toys in secret, stashing them under his bed. Our parents were split. Mom was instantly nostalgic, recalling her own childhood. But Dad saw only clutter and chaos. My little sister wanted to play with the toys, but my brother refused, worried they'd get damaged. After a tense family meeting, we agreed he could keep the collection if he organized it and shared some items for display. Now, our living room has a retro shelf, and the debate continues every time a new toy arrives.